అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
So,
You want to rag me too?
no. So, I'm gonna ask you a simple question.
I cannot hear. What is that? What is it? I cannot hear. జగనన్న ప్రమాణం చేస్తున్నాను. First of all, let me thank my producer, Jnanavil Raja sir, because the second time he's calling me for his film, first of all, he have given me a big opportunity in Tamil with A.R. Rahman sir and all. I couldn't do that at that time. So he called me and I'm so happy to be a part of Buddy. I told him that I just don't want to be a villain again. I'm so tired of doing villain roles. Please call me as a hero. Then this Hemant person came. He's our hero. So Hemant came and started narrating me the script. The dialogues were so good, yaar. When Hemant started narrating the script, goosebumps came, and I decided to do this movie. And it was so lovely working with Sam sir. Sam, he's so sweet. He's so chill in the sets. Every sequences, he will give us a lot of space. We can improvise, and a lot of love from Sam I got in this film. I'm so thank you, Sam, for that. And our cameraman, he was just doing wonders with his camera. I don't know where he comes from, where he goes from, but we just lacked and he will go from like that and all. So we were having a lot of fun. And I should talk about Gayatri. We had such a fun time on the structure. She was in the structure and we had a fight sequences and all. It was so superb. Prisha is such a sweetheart, a chit-chat girl. She keep on talking a lot of things, like a pretty doll, like a teddy. And Allu Sirish, we were having a lot of fight sequences and all. When he is standing opposite to me, I always felt like Tom Cruise is standing in front of me. Just look at him. He's having like a Tom Cruise look, right? And I really like the way he molded himself and he just transforms himself to that major character. I just really loved it. And so July 26th, I just want all of you over here shouting, loving Buddy and shouting for Buddy and being with us. Okay? Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We have a question for you. Why did you agree to do this film?
I just want to do back-to-back movies in Telugu. I had done a movie called Mangalvaram. Have you ever watched it? That was a romantic professor. And then obviously the politician, Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu. And now a baddie in this film. So I just want to do more. I want to get more of the Telugu audience. They loved me in Rangam. Do you guys loved in Rangam? Racha also, right? So I just want to do more of Telugu films.
Okay, nice. Next is Ali Garu.
పాత్రికేయ మిత్రులకి మీడియా